My daughter Jocelyn got punched in the head. A little over a year ago, she came home from school upset. 4 boys had been relentlessly teasing her, calling her jawline over and over. Finally, she'd had enough. She grabbed the ringleader by his hoodie and threw him down. When he jumped up, he punched her in the forehead. As I worked with the school and the boys' parents, I realized something shocking. These kids aren't prepared for conflict. They don't know how to resolve issues or communicate effectively. Schools might have one assembly on bullying a year, but that's it. I'm a Sandler trainer. My colleague, Tim Goering, and I teach adults how to handle difficult conversations, conflict resolution, and communication. We thought, why not teach this to kids? That's how the Self Esteem Academy was born. Our kids are struggling, not because they don't want to do better, but because they don't know where to find these skills. They need to understand conflict resolution, time management, accountability, and how to communicate with confidence. They need to know their identity versus their role and how to get back up when they fall. My job as a father is to prepare my kids for real life so they're not caught off guard when adulthood hits. Join us December 15th at 6 p.m. Eastern for a free 1-hour online session to learn more about what the Self Esteem Academy can do for your child. Click the link below and register. Seating is limited.